Hi guys, isa ito sa malaking update for the Bloom, no, dun sa mga nagko-farm, as well as an update sa mga nag-aantay ng update dito kasi meron na sila ditong nilabas na article which is the airdrops and rewards, no. So kailan yung kanilang token generation event, pag-uusapan natin yan dito sa video natin today, and other updates dito sa kanilang mini app guys, no. So I already claimed dito ng mga points, like for example itong pag-check sa kanilang socials, other updates pa dito, and yung other way para makapag-earn dito ng points guys, no. So pag-uusapan natin yan dito sa video natin today, especially itong bagong update nila na pinablish, no. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first, subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no. Ito yung recent update na pinablish nila, yan, January 6, no. Yung pinaka Bloom points versus meme points. Maraming mga na-disappoint dito guys, no, kasi during season 1 wala silang ginawang update for a potential airdrop guys. So, again, yung airdrop is purely speculation and hindi talaga guaranteed guys, no. It depends ito sa isang crypto project, and we can observe, no, we can see dito kay Bloom na during season 1 so wala silang ginawang update. Pero let's check dito guys, no. So diniscuss lang naman nila dito yung Bloom points versus meme points doon sa mga active guys na nag-participate sa earn tab, no. So ito available naman ito sa during season 1. So itong meme points naman, I think naka-tied up ito doon sa kanilang meme pad, no, as well as dun sa Bloom trading bot. I think isa sa magiging criteria din nila ito. Pero yun, our Bloom points and meme points are equal value. Sabi dito, both Bloom points and meme points are valuable but some different functions within the ecosystem, no. While both contribute your overall rewards, the specific criteria for each will be published before listing. So ito yung titingnan natin, antabayan na natin dito. How do I earn meme points dito? So you can earn meme points in the following ways. I think I gave some insights na dito nung mga nakaraang buwan. Like for example, nag-launch ka ng token sa memepad, merong additional na 50 meme points guys, no? And then your token hits DEX. I think this is for the developers, and you can get 10,000 meme points, no? Tapos doon sa every 10 USDT na meron kang na-trade is that plus 50 meme points. So ito guys, no, lalay ko na lang yung official link na ito para mapuntahan nyo. Punta na tayo dito sa airdrops and rewards. Sabi dito, when is Bloom's token generation event or TGE? Ito yung pag-list ng token, magkakaroon ng value sa market. And meron silang pre-market guys, no. Chinek ko dito yung price nya. Since pabagsak yung BTC ngayon as of recording this video, I think correlated, nagkaroon din ng pagbagsak ito. Nasa 0.011 yung current price action, pero umangat ito around 0.027 guys, no. And sobrang volatile guys sa isang crypto. Hope you understand the risk, no, and reward para mas magkaroon kayo dito ng informed decision. So ito yung current price niya sa pre-market. Hopefully ma-hold nyo to, kasi if ever na hindi niya ma-hold itong area nito, there's a probability that the price could potentially retrace, no. But then again, this is only a pre-market. It's purely speculative yung price action dito. So for now, let's go back dito. Ito guys, no, will Bloom share clear airdrop criteria similar to other projects? They mentioned dito na yes, the team acknowledged the need for clear airdrop criteria and will be released detailed information on how to qualify for airdrops in the near future guys. And they mentioned dito na Q1. Ang cover guys ng Q1 or quarter 1 ng taon is January, February, March, no. So mag-aantay tayo dyan during that quarter. Sabi nga dito guys, what is yung pinaka-token naman nila guys, no? Ano nga ba yung pinaka-use cases niya dito? So yung token nila is a native utility token of the Bloom ecosystem and will be listed on exchanges. As mentioned dito, participation in memepad will also play an important role in qualifying for airdrops. So meron na sila ditong hint, and ito yung mga details kung papaano nga ba dito makakuha ng mga points doon sa memepad guys, no, as they mentioned dito. So yun guys, pwede nyo basahin ito. Yung pinaka-details na ito is that pwede kayong pumunta sa app dito, and then punta lang kayo dito guys sa my earn tab, and then meron ditong earn for checking socials. Open mo lang ito, and then dito check Bloom Telegram. Ayan, so lalabas na ito. And then, punta ka lang sa taas. Ayan, scroll mo lang dito hanggang, ayun, meron sila ditong pinaka-preview ng additional features din nila. So, punta ka lang dito sa pinakataas. ito. So, pwede nyo basahin to guys, no? Ito yung pinaka-vlog nila. Ayan, open mo lang. And mapupunta ka dito sa pinaka-details na ito guys, no? Yun, hope you get some insights dito, updates. Medyo marami ng update na nakapile up doon sa kanilang Telegram. And medyo mahaba na rin yung pinaka-updates doon. Pero ito, pwede nyo puntahan ito guys, no? So, hope you get some insights dito. I'm still farming pa rin dito sa end ko. And tingnan natin guys, no, kung masusunod nga ba itong kanilang update dito, which is Q1 quarter 1 ng 2025. Magkakaroon sila ng token generation event, and we'll see, hoping for the best dito. And yun lang guys, maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat, peace out, bye for now.